I had a love that's on mine. Niggas came and went and I wasted my time. Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT back with another video. So excited about this one. Everything on this fave list, I mean, of course it's my fave, so I love it. But I have really been enjoying for the month of February, so I can't wait to bring them to you. Before we get started, let's go ahead and get formalities out of the way. You guys know I'm trying to grow this channel, and I appreciate your support for all my loyal subscribers who come back and watch my videos and comment on them and thumbs them up. And if you're sharing them, I truly appreciate it. So, hey, to my subbies, if you are not one of my subbies, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate it if you check a girl out. I make videos every week, so you will see this face every week. So I hope that's something that you want to see. So definitely go ahead and do that. Thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, hit the notification bell. Okay, I think that's all the formalities. Let's hop into the favorites because y'all know I talk a lot. So first thing, since it's already in my face, that I'm going to mention is my freaking hair. This may look familiar because this is the exact same wig as the burgundy one that I've been rocking. And you guys really love that. And I loved it too. Like, I love the heck out of that wig. I had to go back and get another one. This one's, you know, when it's fresh out the pack, it's not as good. I had to go get another one. If you guys want a review on this wig, definitely let me know since I've purchased it again. And honestly, if I find more colors, honey, okay, I'm gonna stop bothering. Shake it out. I'm gonna stop bothering. I know it's gonna get bigger after I wear it. It's fresh out of the pack. But anyways, if you want a review like just for this wig, then definitely let me know. I will do that. I don't normally do wig reviews, but I am on this protective style journey with my natural hair right now. So I'll be more than happy to bring that to you if that's something you're interested in. Speaking of my natural hair journey, I have to give a special shout out and add it into this video because my natural hair will always be one of my faves. I did celebrate my 5-year natural hair anniversary on February the 17th, and I didn't do anything special for it. Normally I do something special to my hair. Last year I finally straightened it. I'll insert a picture here if you did not get to see that, but the video is on the channel. I'll put it in the iCard, wherever it's at, if I remember. But definitely check out my natural hair playlist if you didn't see that. Sorry about the cough. But yeah, I'm on a protective style journey right now. And I think I'm going to do a video for that because I kind of need to address it because I know people watch my channel, have been watching my channel for my natural hair, and you have not seen it in quite some time. And I don't think you're going to see it for quite some time either. But that's neither here nor there. Moving on. My next favorite here is going to be this Spin Spa right here. This is the box. This is a Spin Spa cleansing facial brush. One of those as seen on TV things. I just dropped that. This is the extra product and how it looks here. It comes with 2 brush heads. Unfortunately, both of the brush heads are the same thing. Like, one's not harder than the other. Excuse me. One's not just for exfoliating or something like that. They're the same thing, but that's the only thing that sucks. I wish it was like 2 different things, but I really enjoy this brush. When I first tried this out on my vlog channel, I did not really like it. I was like, this is not cool. But I realized it was the batteries that I put in there. I had to put some much more powerful batteries in there, and now that baby be spinning. I really enjoy this. No, this is not the Clarisonic or anything like that. It don't self-clean. You have to clean out the head yourself. But I feel like if you're on a budget like I am, it is a great deal. I think I got that for like $7, $8 at the most from my local Walgreens. So definitely check that out. I feel like that has taken my skincare routine to another level. My skin has been on fleek, y'all. Like, for real, for real. Like, I'm so proud of my skin. Did they still say on fleek? I don't know. Excuse this right here because, you know, Mother Nature's just a hater. But really, I do think you should definitely add some type of facial brush to your regimen. If you cannot get this, if this is, like I said, it's about $8, which is not much at all. But I understand how sometimes things may be cheap to other people, but it ain't cheap to you. And I fully understand that, honey. And so I also want to honorable mention this facial brush right here that I got from Dollar Tree. As you can see, it pretty much the same design here as this one, except for it's a full brush. It comes with this cap that protects it, which I think is very cool. Protect the bristles. It is a lot harder, so you need to be cautious of that. If your face is, your skin is very sensitive, you may not want to do this every day. This may be a once a week thing for you. Now the bristles on this one is soft. You can do this on a regular basis. But this is from Dollar Tree, you guys, and it's the same thing, but you just have to manually spin it. I think it's a good investment if you cannot, you know, get one of these, or say you need to take one on the run or travel with. I'm pretty sure you could travel with that one. It's so freaking small. But this one is good because, like I said, it has the case over the bristles. So I definitely have to get an honorable mention to this one. Even though this is the fave, this one definitely has helped a sister out before I was able to get that one. So yeah. Moving right along, more along to skincare. This is from Echo Tools. This is a mask remover sponge for quick mess-free removal, made with natural silicones to wipe away masks. I really like this product, y'all. First of all, I'm so upset because it came with two. It does come with two sponges, and I took one out and I put it somewhere because I'm like, I want to use one to remove mask and one to actually remove my facial wash, because it is an exfoliant. It does have the number on here on the bag. This is a level 2 exfoliant. I love this sponge, you guys. This sponge probably looks horrible. The lights are so bright, but I have been using the heck out of this sponge. It is still here, and it's just, it feels really hard. Like when you first, like, this feels so rough, and you'd be like, I don't want to put that on my face. But once you wet it, it is perfect. If you do mud masks, and I love mud masks, like thick, heavy masks, then definitely get this, you guys. I don't know how much it costs. It's from Echo Tools, though, so you already know how they get down. They are not that high, and this would never be something I would pick up for myself. I actually got this from Influencer for free, and at this point, I would repurchase this myself. I actually do plan on repurchasing this myself because it's just so helpful in removing those masks off your face, and I feel like it's just adding another layer of, you know, good skincare for my face, because it is also an exfoliant and is getting off all those dead skins and just helping the mask further, in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, check it out. I highly recommend it. And if you're interested in Influencer, the link is always down below. You do not have to be a YouTuber. You just need to have a social media presence. That means you're on social media. That way you can go to Influencer and answer some questions, get free products. Okay? So moving along here, since we're discussing masks, I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out here. There you go, is Honey Moisture Mask. Well, I don't know what this next word is, with propolis extract. It says a relief mask for environmentally stressed skin. I remember when I first read this, I was like, dang, for environmentally stressed skin? Like, what does that mean? But you know what that means? That means to these cold months, you guys. I have been loving this mask here for the whole winter season. But I've really been using it in February because it's been very cold. It is a white product, so you can barely see it. And I've used this a lot, and I still have a lot of this. A little goes a long way. You know, when they tell you to use a dime pound amount and, you know, we don't follow those instructions, you need to follow it on this. This bad boy right here, though, if you have dry skin, if your skin is peeling, flaking, if it's dry, honey, you need to get this. I got this from a friend. So I don't know how much it costs. If you guys are interested in, then I can look it up for you and put a link in the description box or in the comments. You just ask, I'll go look for it. But this bad boy, it's just moisture. That's exactly what it is. It's honey moisture. If you don't know about honey, honey is a great humectant. It basically sucks the moisture out the air and puts it wherever, you know, honey is. And that's why you see it in a lot of moisturizing products. Y'all, this is an awesome mask. I like to do it at night, and they say to do it at night because it is thick, and it will literally, when you wake up the next day, you will still feel this moisture on your face. So this is not like a wash off mask. This is a mask. You keep this on after you finish and put it on your skin. And I have noticed the most change with this under my eyes. I have very dry under eyes, and I use this once under my eyes, once. And every time I use it, I never put it all the way up under my eyes, because with a normal mask, you don't normally go up under your eyes. So I wasn't doing it with this, but I said, let me put this under my eyes, because my under eyes are like dry. You'll normally look cakey. Normally y'all can, if you go back to my old videos, you would notice, but I used it once under my eyes. OMG, you guys. So dry skin, and you're looking for something that will moisturize your face while you sleep, get this Honey Moisture Mask, okay? The name of the company is Lather. So my next fave, everything's kind of like skincare all here. This one, I've been using and rocking with this forever, but I had to shout this out as a fave because I just I just had to, because it's just freaking awesome. And I pick up this every time I go in Dollar Tree. These are the Sesame Street, I can't say that word, Hushables fragrance-free baby wipes. Now, they do sell the fragrance ones, so please be careful. Get the fragrance-free. I get these from Dollar Tree, and I got this from one of my favorite YouTubers, Platinum D. She uses these wipes. Like, she go in Dollar Tree, she will grab like 10 of them bad boys, and she uses these wipes to take off her makeup. And I usually takes about 2 wipes to be able to remove everything. And I think that's great because there's 72 in this freaking pack. Like, where can you get 72 wipes from $1? I'll wait. Very awesome. Like I said, they don't break me out. I have sensitive skin. As long as you get the fragrance free. And I said, from my favorite store, Dollar Tree. Alright, this next product is also from my favorite store. Y'all know Dollar Tree is just the ish. So this right here is a shampoo brush. And it's basically kind of like the facial brush. It's a cheaper alternative to the ones. I know Vanity Planet has one, and it vibrates, and it's waterproof, and you can do it all like that. Honey, we ain't got that. We got this as of right now. $1 from Dollar Tree. This thing right here, though. You just put it in, like, put it directly. And I have 4C natural hair. If you check out my natural hair videos, I have thick 4C kinky hair. I literally just sit it right there. I don't have to separate the hair or anything. Sit it right on my scalp when I'm shampooing or conditioning, and I just rub it. I just go into little circles. Oh my gosh. Talk about massaging your scalp. I can imagine the vibrating one probably feels so darn good, because this feels so darn good just doing circular motions yourself. And I go around that. I've been really focusing on my edges and trying to go back my edges. That's what this whole protective style journey is about, just trying to get my hair back up to par. Well, it's not bad at all, so I'm just trying to make it a lot better. But y'all, definitely check this out if you cannot, or if you're interested in getting like the Vanity Planet one or any other one, and you just want to try it out first and see how it feels. I promise you, I love this. My hair loves this. It feels so freaking good. So, my last favorite, is this my last? Yes, it is. It's the lippy, you guys. If you watched my previous video, here I'll link it in the iCard, my pink lip swatch video of all my pink lips and my burgundies. You would have seen this one. This was also gifted to me. It's made by Colored Rain, and I'm so excited to have one of their products, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to afford to purchase more myself, because this is a black owned company and I definitely want to support that. But this is in the color Mary. This is so freaking beautiful. So in that previous video, that's the one I have on the intro and the outro. Bruh, this color is just, oh, it's just so pretty. It's a dark burgundy, but it has like gold. It's not gold glitter. It's not like like excessive. It's just a slight just gold tint, and it dries down so matte, so pretty. If you can get your hands on this, I believe Color Rain, like, you have to order online. I definitely highly recommend this. This is the best matte formula in a liquid lipstick that I have. Now, I don't have a lot, but this is the best one that I have. The formula is freaking awesome. It does not feel, doesn't feel bad on your lips, like how some of them can. It's not sticky like that on your lips. I really, 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 really enjoy that product. So that is it, you guys. That is my favorites for the month of February. February was awesome. February was our month, Black Excellence, and everything. Oh my God, Black Panther. Okay, stop the presses. Favorite of the month, Black Panther. I've seen it twice. I will be going to see it again, probably next week, because I wanted to go and see it again this week, but I don't have time. I will be going to see it again. I'm already a Marvel fan, point blank, period. So this is just I can't even think of a word. The pinnacle of it for me. Like, this just took Marvel Studios to a whole nother level. Black Panther was everything. If you have not seen it, please go see it. I'm trying to go collect my children to go see it with me next time, because they need to see a film like this. So yeah, I've been talking long enough. I would love to hear your comments on any of the products that I showed you today. If you've seen Black Panther, comment down below about it. I would love to chit chat with y'all. Until the next video, it's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches. Just one of them days. Hey, hey. Y'all been jamming 90s freaking Pandora, 90s R&B music. We need a thumbnail. Let's take a thumbnail. Work it out.